If I say now, make it begin, now we begin rain. If I say stop, we stop. My name is Godwin and yesterday. Rain pusher.
For some areas of Africa, you go hear theory of rainmakers. My name na Nduka Ojinmo, and I don't come Ifitedunu village for Anambra State, southeast Nigeria, to put one rainmaker to test. And they give him 2 hours to fit bring down small rain come down. He say before he go fit make the rain fall today, say we need to bring some items so we don't carry come here. So he asked for cola nuts, 4 pieces. He say we bring this bottle of gin come. Then he also asked me to bring 2 crates of beer where I don't carry come today. And he say we need 1,000 naira to use to break the cola. So last the rain fall today. Not be big rain like some people be they expect, but the rain fall. Some people go talk say na luck. Na the rain used for. You know explain what he do, but we see saying do some kind of things then. Some people talk say na jazz, now make the rain fall today. I don't know. But it's not I see be say the rain true fall.